Ever wondered what a cyber library is? Well, pull up a virtual chair and prepare to enter the world of limitless knowledge at your fingertips. This isn't your typical brick-and-mortar building filled with rows of books, but a digital realm that houses an extensive collection of information resources. A cyber library, also known as a digital library, is an online database of digitized materials like books, articles, videos, and other forms of media. It is a concept that transcends the boundaries of traditional libraries by offering accessibility to resources from anywhere in the world at any time. Imagine having the world's largest libraries in your pocket. That's the power of a cyber library. The benefits of a cyber library are immense. Firstly, it provides universal access. Whether you're in the heart of a bustling city or on a remote island, as long as you have internet access, the cyber library is just a click away. It's like having a librarian who never sleeps, always ready to assist you with your queries. Secondly, it offers an incredible variety of resources. From academic articles to ebooks, videos, audio files, and more, the diversity in content can cater to anyone's needs. The cyber library is not just for the academics, it's for anyone with a thirst for knowledge. Thirdly, a cyber library is a sustainable and efficient solution. It negates the need for physical space and reduces the carbon footprint associated with traditional libraries. It's a step towards a greener planet. Cyber libraries have many uses. They are extensively used in education and research. Students and researchers can access a plethora of resources for their studies or projects. Professionals use them for continuous learning and staying updated in their respective fields. In summary, a cyber library is a digital platform that provides universal access to a wide range of resources. It's a tool that caters to everyone, from students to professionals, and promotes continuous learning. The benefits of a cyber library include 24/7 accessibility, a vast variety of resources, and it's a sustainable solution for the planet. So next time you need information, why not visit a cyber library? It's a world of knowledge just waiting for you to explore. Embrace the future of learning with cyber libraries.